This video it covers managing the embedded data in NFTs using the Token Tiger platform. So one of the most powerful things about NFTs, particularly the ones that you create with tokentiger.com, is that they have mutable data, so data that can change over time, and this data is embedded in the token. So the token represents some type of payload, like a downloadable file or even a piece of publicly available information. But the token itself has what's referred to as metadata, but you can think of it as a blog post embedded in the token that travels with the token and can be changed over time. So I'm going to show you how to manage these tokens. Real quick, let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to slpdex.com where you can buy and sell tokens, when you click on this is a list of NFTs for sale. If you click on info, some of the tokens will have this view user data button, and if you click on it, it'll open up a new tab. And this is the blog, the embedded blog post that I'm talking about. You have one image. We're going to eventually have this be a carousel, so you can have a selection of images. And then this is all a markdown document. So depending on what you're using the token for, this is where you can put information like think of product page on Amazon. If the token represents a product, it could be terms of service if the token represents ownership of some kind. Um, Basically, this is an area for you to add whatever you want, any type of rich data, and you can change it over time. It's not fixed. And that's another important feature. So I'm going to show you how to add this type of data and manage this type of data using Token Tiger. So when you first come in uh, to Token Tiger, you'll see the gallery, and collections are where the tokens that you've created end up. And I have this examples token, and the first concept I want to introduce here is reference tokens. So these are two tokens, NFTs that I've created that I like to make copies of. They're kind of my canonical examples that I refer back to a lot. And so these are like my golden records or my reference token. And when I need to make a new token to sell or to show in a collection or something, I will replicate these reference tokens. And that gives me just one place to update all my documents. And the way that you get in there is uh, this icon here, and you get the pop-up that says edit the NFT mutable data. And that will open up this editor. And so there's four tabs here at the top. This first one, the simple editor, is great for quick updates. So if you just want to change your token icon, you can quickly and easily select another image and do that. There's some basic user data access here if you just want to make a quick change. The generic sort of about metadata for this token is here and quick and easy to change. So this is all good stuff for just quick, simple updates. The blog post template is where you want to go to make the rich data like this. So you can see there's an area where you can select an image for the hero image at the top, and then there is this really great looking markdown editor here where you can add your content. Then for the real power user, we created this advanced editor, and this gets you right into the JSON data. So that blog post, that's what we're looking at here. It gets converted into this JSON, what's called JSON data. And if you know what that is and you're happy to mess with it, this is for you. And if you don't know what it is, stay away from this area. And if you're a superpower user, you can click this switch here, and this is the raw data. You need to be careful because if you update and this does not format correctly as JSON, your token icon will stop appearing in the wallet. So this is the danger zone. This is the ultimate power for the super nerds. But it's all here at every level. And then finally, there's this replicate tab. You just click this button and it'll generate a new NFT with its own unique token ID, but it will use all the same metadata as the reference token that you're cloning from. So that's why I like to have a collection of reference tokens that I can easily copy. So I just edit the mutable data for these, and then when I need a new copy, I replicate it, and it has the latest data that I updated this token with.